Okay, so yeah, so this is what's there. That's the thing you're going to see. So okay, so this is a running trade right now. Okay, let me just explain. Let me just explain something real quick right now about all this. Is why I took a trade. First thing first. This is support. That's like strong support right there. That's like strong support, as you can see right there. That's like strong support. So the market is actually moving all the way up. The reason why you need to spot this on the indicators. Everything below, you buy below what? TP or sell above. So you sell above and you buy below. You see? So this is what I'm working with. So these are the same settings. This is a MACD and the RSI, but it's just a different font. So this is the structure. If you zoom in that point, you see it actually hit the buy, the strong buy. Then I changed the direction of the market. So that's like a buy. The first one. So like I said, major spikes like these, when you get spiked from that point, market actually traces back to that point. So my TP would have been on top at that point here. Would have hit that point, but don't have to be greedy in the market. So using lot size 5. So yeah, it's like it hit the buy. Everything, all the conditions were right for a buy, but the exponential was actually on the other side. So which means it can continue a downtrend movement. So you're not really that safe. So if you are trying to catch a spike exactly at that point, you sell from the above point and you go down in the markets. So you see the crossing of the MACD also and the crossing of the RSI. I mean the moving average, sorry. Yeah. So basically all I'm doing is this. So 3 major spikes, 1, 2, 3 major spikes and retracement, you see? Then all the conditions are here. The zigzag moving, the zigzag indicator shows the movement here, and this is moving average one, which shows it has bent going to the other side. Then this is just a 15 minutes chart. Then the 1 minute chart basically shows you this. So my entry was actually here after seeing the spike. Like I was in the market, I saw that. But your TP would have been here, like I said, the previous market movement. That's why you see this. That's why my TP was initially going to be. But for now, I just did the video just to show you exactly, because I was just aiming for at least 250 so that I can reach this point, because I did a withdrawal of, let me see the history right here. I did a withdrawal. Should be, let me see. How much was the withdrawal? That's a negative right there. That's a negative 1,100. That's a withdrawal. And let me just show you something real quick here. That's like saver right there. So which means if you see saver, what does it show? What does it tell you? If you see saver, what does it tell you? It's a real account, guys. It's a real account. So we're saying all that, and I'm having some network lag. So yeah. And also the conditions were showing you that it was going to be a downtrend market, because the arrow was showing you down. The crossing happened from that point. You see, exactly what's on the phone is the exact same thing which is there. You see, all the conditions were here. You see what happened there? The crossing happened at that point, so which means market was actually going to push back. Probably to reach this point, because the spike was just way too big. So what we're trying to work with is calculating the amount of pips which is going to take. Because here there was a gap spike, and there was a gap spike. And this, let me just tell you, it only happens when the market is an uptrend market. When it's a downtrend, it will mess up your account. So yeah, always make sure the day is an uptrend. Always make sure the day is an uptrend. So today's candlestick is basically an uptrend with a star on it. So it's a very good one. If you took a swing from the bottom there, you see the star, and then you go up, yeah, you will be in big money. You definitely be in big money. Because looking at the market structure, the day has been falling. So it was looking for support, and support was just formed at this point. So which means market is now being pushed up. So expect good movements of crash. Expect good movements of crash going up. So here are my profits for the month. It's not that much, but yeah, I would say for a month, because I haven't been consistent in the market. Like as you can see the structure there, I've just been trading for a few days, miss out a few days. It's not every time I'm taking the trades, just a few days. But no single loss on the account. Definitely no single loss on the account. That's a guarantee. No single loss. I haven't done any single loss on this account. Everything is just profit. Everything is just profits. Everything is just profits. No single loss on the account. No single loss. All the reds you see, those are withdrawals. Probably withdrawals, but yeah, you know what it is.